Good afternoon. Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq, with daily insight on the Nasdaq-100 index, or the NDX, which is made up of 100 of the largest domestic and international non-financial innovative companies listed right here on the Nasdaq stock market. The NDX has been the barometer for U.S. large cap growth and also one of the best performing indexes over the last decade and a half, not to mention one of the most liquid ecosystems in the world. Now, with just under 2 hours to go until U.S. stocks close on Wednesday, February 26th, the Nasdaq-100 is having a pretty volatile session. Following its worst two-day slide since August 2015, let's take a look at that chart. And you can see while the Nasdaq-100 recovered a bit today, it's important to point out just how sensitive the major averages are to coronavirus headlines. You can see that flush between 11 and 12 Eastern when a top official at the FDA warned we are on the cusp of a pandemic, that's a quote, and then the flush again just after 1:30 p.m. Eastern when a headline hit that 83 people in Nassau County, New York are being monitored for possible exposure. So you can see it's a very algo-driven move at this time as we try to discern just exactly how this plays out and what the impact is going to be to the global economy as a result of the coronavirus. Now, elsewhere, Google and Microsoft are reportedly moving production out of China in response to coronavirus. This is according to the publication Nikkei. People with direct knowledge tell the publication that Google may begin producing its new, cheaper Pixel smartphone in Vietnam in April and its next-gen flagship Pixel smartphone in the country in the second half of 2020. Meanwhile, Microsoft may start producing its Surface line in Vietnam in the second quarter with volumes small at the start, but the company wants the production to increase from there. From the Nasdaq market site in New York City, I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq.